I don't have a fillet knife, but this knife is sharp enough that I can take the skin off my salmon. This is wild caught pink salmon, guys. We're gonna cut it in small cubes. After I'm done with this board, guys, I'm going to bleach it before I use it for other things. That was 4 small fillets, guys. I'm gonna add a couple teaspoons of capers, half a small red onion, thinly sliced. Don't be shy with the onion. Completely optional. It's a half a jalapeno diced. I'm gonna put it in, you don't have to. Right, I'm gonna squeeze 2 lemons, 1 lime, and half an orange in this little container because I want to salt it and control the flavor. So that's why I'm not doing it directly onto the fish. The whole thing has to be submerged in citrus, so you might need more, okay? So play by ear. The reason we're using orange is to balance the acid. All right, so now I'm just gonna add salt to this and I'm gonna go tasting it. Nope, needs more. Okay, that works. Taste it. You want it to have a nice acid-salt balance, okay? Make sure you mix it well so that it doesn't stay in your jug. All right, that's perfect actually. I am going to let this marinate for a couple hours and we will eat it. I'm gonna serve the salmon on a little bed of lettuce like this. This stuff, guys, is so delicious. Oh, oh my gosh. It's low in carbs, high in protein. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.